Hey guys, it's Hypercube, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the gear shift. So I'll get right into it. So you have your gear shift, and right now you can turn the entire puzzle, but it won't really do anything. The real thing is when you pull it apart and turn the individual sides. So the first step is to solve one side. It doesn't matter which side you do, because the pieces don't really move around, they just turn in place. But the way you know what color a side is if you're looking at like this face, and you see 4 of the same color. So this side is the yellow side. This is the red side. That's how you figure that out. So what you need to do is, you see how these pieces they look solved? You just need to pull these apart and then just turn this around. Just keep turning it until they get solved. And then just put it back together. First side's always really easy. So then the next step is you pull it apart so that the solved side's on the bottom. So this side would be the blue side because it has 4 blue stickers. So you just turn it around until you get at least 2 solved pieces. If you get more than that, you can go ahead and skip a couple of the steps I'm about to go through. But since we have 2, that's the most I think we can get right now, so we just close it. So we just have to rotate these 2 gears around now. So you start with the smaller one. You would start out with the smaller corner. And if you look, if I was just to rotate this corner gear once, it would be solved. So it would be 1 time to the left. So you hold this corner gear in the front top right, and you'd first pull it up. And since it's 1 turn to the left, I want to turn this until this big gear turns around once. So turn to the left until it gets the big gear to that face. Close it. Go to the right. Turn it to the left until that blue gear gets on top. Close it. And now I want to take the back. So I just rotate it, pull the back, and turn this big gear until this face will solve. And close it. And that's how you rotate that small gear. So all you have left is this big gear. And if you notice, if you turn it to the right 2 notches, it would be solved. So the big gears, they work a little differently. So 2 movements is only 1 rotation of the small gear. So it's 2 to the right, or 1 to the right, I guess. So I hold it in the front top right. I pull it up, and I turn it to the right until this small gear turns around once. Like that. Close it. Open it up to the right. Turn it to the right until the blue gear. Close it. And then I take the back. So just keep turning it until that face solves. And there you go. That is how you solve the gear shift.